One thing about me, I will wait until the last minute to do my laundry. But fortunately, my procrastination is no longer an issue thanks to this portable dryer. Yes, you heard that right, a portable, ultra-fast tabletop clothes dryer. This bad boy is from Morus and it takes my clothes from wet to dry in 15 minutes. With this patented drying technology, I can now have 2 loads of laundry drying at the same time. And for my delicate fabrics, like my silky smooth do-rags, Silk Mode employs a temperature lower than 104 degrees Fahrenheit to gently dry them, ensuring their utmost protection. Wet shoes? Not a problem. Just lay them flat on the shoe rack inside Morus and they'll dry without tumbling. Want to wear your favorite shirt that's a little funky but don't have time to wash it? Also, not a problem. The sanitizing feature eliminates 99% of bacteria, viruses, mildew, and eliminates the funk. But my favorite thing that Morus can do is warm up my towel and bathrobe so I can get extra comfy. Go get you one.